and you will see. Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. Okay, so I'm here with another video. Okay, so on today's lesson, this is what we are going to be learning. Okay, I'm going to be showing you a few passing chords. Okay, we want to look at the importance of octave as well as chord voicing. In this particular video, I'm going to be treating all of this. Okay, so go nowhere, stay with me as we dive in this particular lesson. Okay, so if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to get it. Okay, so I'll leave the key that I'm playing in the description box. Okay, so without much ado, let's dive in. So in the key of F, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and the 1. Alright, also the same as the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti and do. Okay, so we are treating this particular song. He can do it better for you, far more than you can think that he will ever do. Okay, a very nice song, powerful song, which most of us know. Even if you don't know, I will be singing it so that you can get a clear view of this song and what we are treating for today. Okay, so let's dive in. So let's check the progression of it first. Okay, so the progression goes from here. Okay, so he can do it better for you, far more than you can think that he would ever do. He can do it better for you, far more than you can think that he would ever do. Okay, so that is a song that we are treating. Okay, so the progression goes from the 4, the 5, the 3, then the 6, then the 2, then the 5, then the 1. Okay, right now we all know the song I'm talking about and we all know the progression. Okay, so let's dive a little bit deeper. Okay, we want to check chord voicing. Okay, one of the things that I believe in is that when you are playing the keyboard, okay, you need to sound full. For example, the song that I'm teaching you, okay, we already know the chords because I showed you earlier. Okay, which goes from the 4, the 5, the 3, the 6, 2 and the 5, then the 1. Okay, basically start over. Okay, so the 4 chord. Okay, there are so many ways you can voice it. Okay, but for me personally, to sound full, okay, this is the type of chord voicing I use. So for a song like this, the 4 chord, okay, the 4 chord, there's nothing wrong with this. Okay, but I'm going to show you a different way that you can voice this particular song. Okay, so the first chord we are doing is this. Okay, have you seen that there's a feeling that it comes with this particular chord? Alright, so what am I doing? So I'm doing the B flat, I'm doing the F, I'm doing the C. Alright, then the right hand is doing the D, is doing the J, then is doing the D. Alright, okay, then we will use the same approach, but this time we will maintain the left hand, then change the right hand voicing. Alright, then it will be like this. Okay, alright, so what is that? I'm doing the B flats, I'm doing the F, I'm doing the C. Right hand is doing the E, is doing the A, and is doing the E. Alright, then let's take the third chord. Okay, we already know that the third chord is the 3. Okay, so the 3, we are going to voice it in a different way. Okay, so we are doing this. Okay, so what is that? I'm doing the F, then I'm doing the E flat. Alright, then the right hand, I'm doing the G, I'm doing the C, I'm doing the F. Alright, then after that, we are doing the 6th chord. Okay, so we'll be doing over chords here like this. Alright, so what is that? I have the 6 on the left, then I have the 5 on the right. Okay, okay, then we'll be doing the 2. Alright, but this time around we want to use a different chord voicing. Okay, so the chord voicing we want to use here is, alright, so basically I have the G, D, F. Right hand is doing the A, B flat, D and F. Then the 5, then the 1. Alright. Okay. So let's check how it sounds. Hold on to your faith, your compassion of the days of your life, and you will see the hand of the Lord in your life. Alright, let me show you another way that you can end this one. You will see the hand of the Lord in your life. Subscribe, I'll see you in another video. Okay, bye.